Hi, I am Irshad Poovannur and I am an accounts executive here at Bait Al Nokhada. I have been in the company for 5 years and I am excited to share my experience with you today. Working at Bait Al Nokhada has been a great experience for me. As an accounts executive, I am responsible for managing the company finance, processing invoices and ensuring timely payment. I work closely with other teams within the company to ensure that everything runs smoothly and feel like my contributions are valued and appreciated. Bait Al Nokhada has a fantastic company culture. We have very supportive and collaborative team and we all work together to achieve our goals. I appreciate that the company values work-life balance and encourages us to take care of ourselves outside of work. The company also provides opportunity for us to give back to community, which I find very rewarding. I have had the opportunity to grow my career at Bait Al Nokhada. The company is committed to employee development and have had the chance to take a new responsibility and learn new skills. The company provides regular training and support to ensure that we have the tools and knowledge we need to succeed. Overall, I am very grateful to my time at Bait Al Nokhada. The company has provided me with a supportive and rewarding environments in which to grow my career. I am proud to be part of such commitment and dedicated team and look forward to continue to work with them to achieve our goals.